HEX is at 2.6. Also up a little bit. And this is what we mean when, this is what I mean when I say HEX is tracking Bitcoin. Although the price changes aren't the same, and obviously the price isn't the same, they move in tandem. When HEX goes up, when Bitcoin goes up, HEX goes up because Ethereum goes up. It's clear that HEX is not the exception to Hart's law any longer. But we are holding above that resistance as well at 2.699 cents, fighting the next level of resistance. And if we could get above that, then we should be headed for higher prices. We should be headed for maybe 5-6 cent HEX. And testnet V3 target, 8 cents, 5-6 cent HEX will be the testnet V3 target, which testnet V3 should be coming out very soon. Should be coming out within a month, the latest. We've been waiting way too long, guys. It's got to happen. It's going to happen. The question is when. It's not if. And we're a year late, so should be happening. But yeah, no big price action. Everything's been relatively boring. Maybe if we check the 4-hour chart. Look at that. Shows we're above the resistance on a gap candle in the 4-hour. Again, so this is our bottom here. Are we going below that 1.70 bottom? It's definitely more likely that Bitcoin bottomed than HEX bottomed, but HEX may have bottomed too. And again, is Richard Hart's 11K call preventing people from coming into HEX? I don't know how you could expect people to buy HEX right now if they believe it's going to 11K. Just considering the green days for Bitcoin and the green days for HEX are the same. I don't know. Unless there's a V3 testnet or mainnet launch, I cannot imagine anybody with some serious cash going heavy into HEX right now because they think it's going back to 11K because Richard Hart said so. And obviously there's a lot of support behind Richard Hart in the HEX community, as there should be, but that could be hurting HEX, possibly. So I don't know if it's a good idea, but it could be that he's really right and it's going back to 11K, and it will be helping Hexicans because they're really going to get in at 11K. But irrespective of whether we hit 11K or not, I think if we get a mainnet launch, then we for sure bottomed, and we don't know when that's going to happen. That could lead to the decorrelation that people are thinking about. A mainnet launch could lead to the decorrelation that everyone's talking about, at least for a brief period of time. But for now, looks like we're correlated. And yeah, that's it for HEX technical analysis. We got a green-ish day. Again, that threshold token, Phantom, DYDX, Doge. I don't know what these things are. Lido, I know. Litecoin, LRC. Yeah, I guess overall more green, but just boring. And HEX daily stats. We got HEX daily stats. Checking it on the daily. 12.6 increase in T-share rate. 6.3 payout per T-share. Not bad. I want to start seeing 7. I think that's going to happen soon. 44 change in current holders and 48 change in current stakers. So that's not bad. Not bad at all for a bear market. But yeah, I guess that's really it for the numbers. Are you guys saying anything in the chat? Let's just check out the chat and see what you guys are saying.